If you've ever wanted to create a bunch of different images using Nano Banana, such as this one or this other one, in a matter of seconds, just stay put because I'm going to show you how to do this and then how to create videos out of these images. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. My name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you're back here seeing another tutorial. We're still continuing the series about Higgsfield because there are a bunch of different tools that we can unpack. If you haven't checked out the previous videos that we have been creating about this software, I really invite you to go to the channel and check them out so you can get up to speed on how this software works and what it is. Just as a little reminder, Higgsfield is an AI powered tool where you can create videos and images using prompts, using AI. In the previous videos, we have been checking out some of the tools that the software has. We have been doing face swaps, we have been creating characters, we have been creating little short videos about Christmas, for example. So once again, if you want to check all of them, they are uploaded on the channel. And I am using one of the paid plans. If you want to use one of these as well, there are some affiliate links in the description box down below. In this video, we're going to be checking out the newest tool, the Nano Banana Pro 2 tool, what it's capable of. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. If we go to image right here on the top left, we can go to the new Nano Banana Pro tool. This is powered by Google, and it is a tool where you can write prompts and create images out of that prompts. Or you can also upload images, and using prompts, you can edit the images as well. So I'm going to create 25 different images, and then I'm going to take some of those images and create a little short video so you can see what the software is capable of. What you're seeing on screen right now are some of the images that we created in the previous projects. If we go to the bottom right here, you can see that Nano Banana Pro is the model that is picked right here. We can describe what we want the software to create. So just as a start, let's say that we want a cat riding a dragon and see what the software does with that prompt. So this is the first image that the software created. As you see, it understood exactly the prompt that we wrote. What I'm going to be doing is downloading the image, then uploading it and making some changes using a different prompt. So with these three dots right here, I'm going to download the image, save it locally on my computer. And then I'm going to upload that image and I'm going to make changes on top of that image. So image number 2 would be change the dragon to a metal one. Let's generate that new image and see what the software does. This is image number 2. As you see, it replaced the dragon to be a metal one. Once again, I'm going to download this image and I'm going to make some changes to that new image. The cat and the dragon are now drinking tea. Let's generate that one. This is image number 3. Right now the cat and the dragon are drinking tea. Let's switch the scene to a winter one. Let's generate it once again. This is image number 4. As you see right here, they are in a winter landscape right now. I want to change the characters drastically, so I want a seal and a boy. Let's see what the software does with that instruction. These are the new characters that the software created. As you see, they are a seal and a boy. Let's download that image once again. So this is image number 5. I'm really curious to see where we're going to go using the 25 prompts that I told you in the beginning. I want to change the camera angle. This is image number 6, where the software changed the angle of the original image. Let's say that we want to change something more drastic. Let's upload the image and say that this image is a painting inside an apartment. So with this new image, we're starting to see some real changes. The original image is more like a painting, and then it added to a more realistic scene. So let's download this image once again. This is image number 7. Let's say that we want to add people to the apartment. So the software added some people right here to the image. Let's say that we want to make the room larger and we want to add a table with a banquet. This is the new image that the software created. As you see, it was a big shift from the original image. Let's say that we want to add a band to the image. It added a medieval band. Right here you can see it. I'm going to be making a couple of changes to more images, and I'm going to show you in a couple of seconds what we have when we have all the 25 images. So after just some minutes, I've just created 25 different images. I show you till picture 10. So this is 4, 8, 9, 10. This was 10. This is 11. I just changed the night sky a bit. I changed the table. I made it more modern and made it a night sky. I then added a little bit of elements to the pictures. They were changed a bit. The moon was made bigger. I then added a dragon, a rock band. I made the dragon to be the president and changed the style to an anime one. I added more scenes. I made the scenes to be night and day. I then changed the whole scene to be in a day, night and a daytime. I once again added more scenes to make it more dynamic. I changed the scenes to have different angles, such as this one. I then made it into a Van Gogh style, and at the end I made the image to be inside of a TV of an office building. As you see, the changes that we did from the starting image, that is this one, to the final image are a lot of changes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to animate a couple of them. If you click on these three dots right here, you can animate the image. You can make it speak, you can add a UGC, you can draw to make a video. I'm just going to click on video as of now, and you can describe what you want the scene to be. Let's say that people move around the office and look at the TV. This would be a little short scene that we can create. You can select the model, the duration, and the aspect ratio, and you can also select the model. Right now it's being used with Sora 2. So let's generate that scene and see what the software does. So let's check out the scene that the software created.
That painting's wild. Is that a dragon in a suit?
Yeah, and a rock band playing for it. Kind of makes you want to be at that dinner.
It's like medieval fantasy meets Van Gogh. I love it.
Same here.
As you see, it even added people speaking, music, and a text that connects with the image that we created with the software. We can go back again to our assets, the images that we created, and we can select a different one. Let's say that we want to use this one and we want to animate this one as well. We're taken then to this screen once again. We can write a prompt and say that the characters are having a great time making jokes and eating, and we can generate that little scene once again. Let's check out the second video that the software created. As you see, it animated the scene. This time it didn't add music or speech, but it animated the scene in line with the Van Gogh style that we were using. As you see, using the new Nano Banana model is really easy in Higgsfield. You can create a bunch of different cases and different images using this tool. You can use these images to then create videos, and the process is really easy and fast to use. I really invite you guys to try it out. Comment down below how you've used it. Once again, my name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you saw this video, and without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next one.